Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to go over how to use the subtotal in Excel. I've got this sorted by customer, and I want to see the total pounds and the total sales at the bottom of each of them. So I would just go over to the data here, pick the drop down over here to the subtotals, and OK. And I want the total at each change in the customer, a sum of it, and I just want the sales and the pounds and nothing else. And then you say OK. And now it has the total at the bottom of ABC Fish, Cajun Grill, so on and so forth. And it also puts these bars on here that allow you to collapse it so you can just see the totals for each one. And if you wanted to see what the details of Joe's is, you can click the plus sign and you can take a look at all the sales on each day for each type of fish. So that's how you create a subtotal in Excel. Thank you for watching.